just going to give a product review on this Loba Viva Satin, and we've applied it here to this job. It's quite an excellent floor finish. I highly recommend using this. Applies very nicely. You may think that as you're applying it, because it's a water-based, you may think that there's going to be errors and it's going to look weird because you're looking at it and it's still in the wet stage. It dries very quickly, but when it's still in the wet phase, it kind of looks like you can see the lap marks and etc. But then the following day you come back and it's just absolutely perfect. So I've already screened this floor 220. But if you're thinking about using a water-based floor finish, I highly recommend this Loba Viva satin. It comes in satin, semi-gloss, and gloss. It's just an excellent, it's a one-component water-based finish, and it has a great look to it. It's going to be very natural. There's going to be very little alteration of the color of the wood. And what I love most about it is you don't have to wear a respirator. It's water-based, and it's a very nice workable finish to use, and I highly recommend it. Loba Viva Satin.